Hi detailers, welcome to E-Rebar tutorial. In this video we are going to see the place BBS option. To place the BBS, I have to enter the command place BBS. So I'm entering place BBS command and software is asking the BBS sheet name. So I'm giving R1 rebar drawing 1. Then so software is asking the scale to place the BBS. I'm giving 50. The software is asking to select the call-ups. So I'm selecting all these call-ups and enter. The software is asking to pick the point to insert the BBS table. Now the BBS table is placed. So here you can see the BBS table with a bar mark, bar size, quantity, band type, and length. This is the total length and leg values, and finally the weight, row wise weight is also there, and total weight for this first table is there. Here you can see the first 10 bar marks is placed separate table, and another 10 bar marks is placed in separate table. This is the settings. You can place any number of rows in the table. So if you want a 20 record or 20 bar marks in the single table, you can customize or configure this number of rows in the setting files. Here the shape codes are placed, or the shape codes used in this drawing or used in this selection, part of selection. You can get those shape codes here. This is one of the format we can place this BBS in different formats. So this is the method to place the BBS and the drawing. Thank you. Bye bye.